Qualification match 66 is going to be an interesting one. We have the 10th ranked team Robo Raiders, 7th ranked team Nitro on the Red Alliance, along with Pack of Parts ranked 8th on the Blue Alliance. Someone might have to move in the rankings. We see the Olympia Robotics Federation very quickly removing 2 pieces of algae. They've finally gotten that auto turned in and gotten both of those algae up into their net 4 points. 488 lined up. Coral dropped into their robot. Went up, didn't quite align. It looks like they might be using those April tags to localize, but they're going to try again and didn't quite line up to the right branch. They kind of split the difference. Pack of Parts doing a similar motion, but they're not going to go up as high. They're going to try for 4 points to the Blue Alliance. Meanwhile, on the red side of the field, we see 8302 Nitro dropping a piece of coral on the trough along with their partners Robo Raiders, scoring another 5 points for a level 4 game piece. Pack of Parts making circles. Looks like they might have a piece of coral that's not quite where they want it to be inside of their robot, and their partners, the Mabton Lugnuts, are meddling around with a piece of algae. We'll see if they're able to collect that into their robot in order to get it into a scoring position. Meanwhile, we see the Olympia Robotics Federation, another 4 points to the Red Alliance. And they come back and they're just going to continue to do the same thing, but in this time on a level 2 branch, and they get another 3 points. Meanwhile, on the blue side of the field, 3876 very cautiously making their way. Looks like they were attempting to get that piece of algae into a processor, but it's rolled away out of their grasp. Meanwhile, Team Xbot 488 lined up, and now we're at 40 seconds left in the match. Red with a 30-point lead, 93 points to 65. The Red Reef becoming, at this point, about 60% full as they're trying to make their way to that Coral RP. 8302 continuing to contribute to that effort, filling up that trough one piece of scoring element at a time. We hear our audio cue for endgame as robots race back to the middle of the field. We do see motion from all 6, though Blue is continuing to save for the last couple of seconds, trying to get that last piece of coral. They do have 3 out of the 4 levels to potentially get that ranking point. Can 488 not quite make it there as we close out qualification match 66 with Robo Raiders having made it into the air along with their partners. We'll see if Red's endgame actions make the difference in the scores. All these sharks are swimming through from qualification match 66. Red coming out victorious with a score of 145. Blue putting up some big points at 87. They're not leaving this match with a single RP point, which is better than nothing.